Paper trading range strategy on TradingView range trading for beginners in this video. I am going to teach you how to trade price ranges on TradingView using a paper trading account. If you're a beginner, this is one of the safest ways to learn how to identify support and resistance, practice entries and exits, and test your strategy without risking real money. First, let's understand what a trading range is. A trading range occurs when the price moves between a clear support level and a resistance level without forming a strong uptrend or downtrend. Traders look for buying opportunities near support and selling opportunities near resistance until the price breaks out of the range. To begin, open TradingView and connect your paper trading account from the trading panel. Then, open the chart of the asset you want to practice with. Now, identify a market that is moving sideways. Draw a horizontal line at the recent swing lows to mark your support level. Next, draw another horizontal line at the recent swing highs to mark your resistance level. These two levels create your trading range. Once the range is identified, wait patiently for the price to approach one of the boundaries. If the price reaches support and shows signs of bouncing upward, you can consider a paper buy trade. If the price reaches resistance and begins to move lower, you can consider a paper sell trade. Before placing the trade, always set a stop loss outside the range. This helps protect your account if the price breaks out instead of staying within the range. Then place your take profit near the opposite side of the range. This gives you a clear entry, exit, and risk management plan before the trade begins. After placing the trade, monitor it from the Positions tab in the trading panel. Watch how the price reacts at the support and resistance levels, and avoid making emotional decisions while the trade is active. If the price breaks above resistance or below support with strong momentum, avoid continuing to trade the old range. A breakout often signals that a new trend may be starting, so it's better to wait for a new trading setup before entering another position. Here's a pro tip: don't trade every range you see. The best ranges have multiple touches at both support and resistance, giving you stronger confirmation that the market is respecting those levels. Patience is often more profitable than taking too many trades. And that's how you can practice range trading on TradingView using a paper trading account. It's a great way to build confidence, improve your chart reading skills, and test your trading strategy without risking real money. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.